The camera industry is currently shaking to its core, and it's not because of a new flagship or a budget entry. It is because of the one camera that shouldn't exist, yet it's about to change everything for the average creator. We are talking about the Canon EOS R9. For years, there has been a massive gaping hole in Canon's lineup. You had the R7 for the crop sensor speed demons and the R6 Mark II for the full-frame enthusiasts. But there was always something missing: a bridge. A machine that combined the insane speed of the R3 with the portability of the R8, but without the soul-crushing price tag. Well, the silence from Tokyo has finally been broken. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The EOS R9 is real, and based on the specs we are seeing, it isn't just a new model, it's a hostile takeover of the mid-range market. If you are currently holding on to an old DSLR or feeling limited by your current mirrorless setup, you need to stop and listen. The R9 is being positioned as the R-series revolution. We aren't just talking about a slight bump in megapixels. We are talking about the introduction of a stacked sensor architecture at a price point that was previously thought impossible. Why does a stacked sensor matter to you? Because it changes the physics of how you capture light. It eliminates the rolling shutter that ruins your sports shots and makes your videos look like jello. It means that for the first time, a mid-range Canon can shoot at speeds that were reserved for $5,000 professional bodies just 12 months ago. Imagine you're at a high-stakes sporting event or out in the wild trying to capture a bird in flight. With the R9, you are looking at a burst rate of up to 40 frames per second with full autofocus tracking. But it's not just fast, it's smart. Canon has ported over the deep learning AI from the R1 and R5 Mark II. This isn't your standard face detection. This is a system that recognizes the geometry of a human body, even when the face is turned away. It recognizes cars, planes, trains, and even insects with a sticky autofocus that feels like magic. When you look through that high-resolution electronic viewfinder, it doesn't feel like you're taking a picture. It feels like you're cheating. But the R9 isn't just for the speed freaks. It's for the hybrid creators. The landscape of YouTube and filmmaking in the USA has shifted. Good enough video isn't good enough anymore. Audiences demand 4K that is oversampled, sharp, and color accurate. The EOS R9 is rumored to deliver 6K raw internal recording. Let that sink in for a moment. A mid-tier camera giving you the raw data of a cinema camera. This means you can change your white balance and your exposure after you've finished shooting. It gives you the power of a Hollywood colorist right on your laptop. And with Canon's legendary dual-pixel CMOS AF2, you can trust the camera to keep your subject's eye sharp even at f/1.2, allowing you to focus entirely on the story and the composition. Let's talk about the build, because this is where Canon usually plays it safe. Not this time. The R9 is expected to bridge the gap in ergonomics. It's rugged, weather-sealed, and features a new cooling system that puts the overheating nightmares of the past to rest. You can record for hours without seeing that dreaded red thermometer icon. This is the reliability that professional wedding photographers and event shooters have been begging for. They need a camera that works in the rain of Seattle and the heat of Arizona.